So today I am really excited because I am going to be trying a brand new product that I have never tried before, and I have saved it especially for this TikTok video. So this is the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Easy Peel Off Tint. So lately I am very into brow products because, well, my brows are looking a little thin and they also are looking a little bit light in some areas, and so I decided it was time to start thinking about getting some growth serum and getting some tint so I can darken them and make them just the right color, because I've got some sparse blonde hairs or very light, almost white hairs coming in as well, and I thought, how can I do some brow tinting at home? And so I found this and we are gonna try it today. So here we go. Okay, removing the product from the bottle. Ugh, it looks almost sticky. This almost looks like molasses or maple syrup or something. So apparently this is supposed to be easy to just peel off and it won't tug your hairs off when you peel it off. So hopefully that doesn't happen. So let's just apply it right on, I guess. I'm gonna apply it on this eyebrow right here, and we're going to compare it with this one. I look like I'm literally applying molasses onto my eyebrows. This is so bizarre. Okay, I think it's dry now, so let's see if we can peel it off. It's definitely not pulling my hairs out. Oh my gosh. This is what it took off, you guys, and it did not pull my hairs out. It did not hurt. And this is the results, guys. See, here's my one brow that I didn't tint. Here's my tinted eyebrow. It left a bit of residue behind. So do this before you apply your foundation. But honestly, guys, this stuff is awesome.